Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, if you are updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem of Face ID, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to make sure that the true depth camera is clean. There is no dust on that camera. If there is dust, then you have to just simply clean it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply restart your device. Sometime a simple restart can resolve many issues. For that you have to just simply open settings, scroll down and then tap on journal, scroll down and here is the option of shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone, and after this restart and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open Face ID, and you have to make sure that the Face ID is set up by correctly, and make sure that these toggle are should be allowed. So guys, after this then you have to just simply reset your Face ID for one time, and after this give a new Face ID, and after that guys you have to just simply check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to reset all your settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings again, tap on journal, scroll down and tap on here transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap here reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.